Welcome to my channel friends. Today I am presenting beautiful storage ideas that also enhance your home. First one is built-in wall shelves. Built-in wall shelves save space in any room. They blend beautifully into your walls. Use them to display books and decor. Perfect for a modern or classic look. Add plants for freshness and texture. Elegant storage that feels like design. Second one is storage ottomans sit and store. A comfy seat that hides storage insides. Great for living rooms and bedrooms. Keep blankets, toys or clutter hidden. Add styles without taking extra space. Choose colors to match your furniture. Smart, stylish and multi-purpose. Next one is floating shelf. Floating shelves give a clean, modern feel. Mount them in living room or kitchens. Display small decor, candles or plants. They free up floor and table space. Very easy to install and customize. Form meets function on your walls. Next one is TV unit with cabinets. Make your TV area look organized. A unit with drawers hides clutter easily. Store remotes, DVDs or gaming gear. Choose a style that matches your room. Next is hanging racks for kitchen. Hang your pots for a rustic kitchen vibe. It frees up space in your cabinets. Easy to grab what you need while cooking. Looks charming and practical at once. Add hooks for spoons or mugs too. Next one is open kitchen shelves. Ditch the doors, go for open shelves. Great for displaying jars and plates. Creates an airy cafe style kitchen. Use wooden plankers for warmth and texture. Keep everyday items within easy reach. Beautiful and highly functional. Next is under bed storage. Use the hidden space under your bed. Add drawers or baskets underneath. Stone shoes, clothes or extra linens. Great for small bedrooms or guest rooms. Keep your floor area clean and clear. Hidden but super helpful. Vintage trunks for storage. Next one. Bring old world charm with a vintage trunk. Use it the foot of your bed or sofa. It stores blankets, clothes or keepsakes. Double as a table or seating bench. Perfect for rustic or boho interiors. Next is show storage benches. Keep your entryway clean and organized. A shoe bench offers storage and seating. Store sneakers, boots or slippers inside. Great for families and busy homes. Add cushions to make it cozy. Next is wicker baskets plus jars in bathroom. Use baskets to store towels or products. Glass jars are great for cotton and soaps. They keep your bathroom fresh and neat. Natural textures add a spa-like feel. Use shelves to keep things off a sink. Next is ladder shelving. Ladders are not just for climbing anymore. Lean one against the wall for style. Stick towels, books or candles on it. It's compact and work in small spaces. Choose wood or metal to match decor. Next one is macram wall pockets. Hang them in a hallway or bedroom. Store letters, notes or small plants. Adds a touch of bohemian style. Lightweight and easy to install. Perfect for renters and small walls. Storage that looks like odd. Next is window seats with storage. Build a cozy spot by the window. Lift the seat to reveal hidden storage. Great for books, toys or bedding. Creates a reading nook or daybed. Use soft cushions for comfort.